on it. Probably Bigfoot's hiding.
Yeah, you gotta listen for him.
Yeah.
See if you hear him.
Yeah. I hear birds and wolves. I hear birds and owls.
Oh.
Who's that crossing? Oh, there's a baby car.
Gotta keep listening.
I hear like Bigfoot break all his branches.
Bigfoot broke all those branches?
Yeah, off that tree.
Oh, off that tree.
Yeah.
Wow.
How
That's
would
awesome.
do that?
You hear that? What is that, a coyote?
No, that's just a dog.
Oh.
I think he went way over there.
Oh, over there by those trees?
Yeah.
Is he hiding?
Yeah.
Maybe you need to call him.
I am.
Are you going to try to call Bigfoot?
Wait,
Call him.
like this? Woo!
Yeah.
Like that? Okay. Woo! I hear him. Darn it.
Where did he go?
Don't know.
Did those people scare him?
I think he was coming. I think he was coming.
Okay.
Stop. You get me like that.